If you want to fetch the records from a table in Oracle database from a list of values, like suppose in the toys table which we had created in our earlier class, if we want to fetch the toys whose color is red, blue and green, then we need to write over here the condition like select star from toys where color is equal to red. We have to put OR condition. We have to do OR color is equal to red, or color is equal to blue, or color is equal to green. So like this. I have already created this query. Let me just run this over here. Let me just select and run. Now here if you see, I have done the ORing over here. Like I am selecting all the columns from the toys table where color matches with red or color is equal to green. Now if we are having n number of values to be added as a list, like color is equal to red, green, and there could be n number of colors, it would be a pain like to write each and every condition like color is equal to and the color name. So we can avoid this altogether by making use of the SQL in operator. Now here what we have to do is we have to write our select star from table. So this syntax, instead of star we can provide the column names as well, where we have to write the column name once, then we have to make use of in clause, then within the brackets we have to mention the list of values. Instead of writing the OR condition and mentioning the column and the column name what it's supposed to be, we can make use of the in operator. I have already created the query for this. Let me just copy this. So what I have done is, instead of writing the column name each and every time, we have to write the color, that is column name, only once, then the in operator, and within the brackets we have to mention the list of values. So let me just run this. So we should get the similar results when we run this query as well. That is, we need to fetch 3 rows for Sir Stripy Pants, Mr. Bunnykins and Baby Turtle. Let me just run this. So here if you see, I have run this query and we are getting the same set of results. So with the help of this in operator, we can write the SQL queries efficiently and the code will look neat and clean.